Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some very cute and inexpensive Dollar Tree DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my favorite project from Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these straw hats. I will be removing the tag. Now this ribbon, it's nice, but it's not my favorite, so I am going to remove it and use some other Dollar Tree ribbon. Alright, so I'm going to add the word hello, but I do want to show you that this hat is kind of wonky. One side's thicker than the other. I'm going to add the word hello on the thicker side. And to add the word hello, I'm using these poster sticker letters. As you can see, I'm going to use like that leftover little part because I am going to use it as stencil. So this already has adhesive. All I'm doing is placing the letters going round. So now I'm going to use a paintbrush and black paint, and I'm going to start painting inside. Now I did have to use some painter's tape because I was being sloppy and I didn't want to paint or for it to bleed, which it didn't bleed, but I accidentally painted on the other side even after adding some painter's tape. I'm going to let this dry for a little bit, then I'm going to remove everything, and look how beautiful this looks. For this next step, you can use the ribbon that came with it, but instead I decided to use this buffalo check one. I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to just glue it over. I'm not going to make the bow yet. I left it loose right here because I am going to add some greenery and tie the bow through there, or actually tie the greenery through there. Sorry, but I'm going to show you just in a second. I did tie two of these picks that I got from Dollar General. Using another piece of the ribbon, instead of gluing it, I am going to tie it. Then using the same ribbon, I am going to make a bow and cover that up. But this completes this beautiful hello sign. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree little house. I am going to remove the hanger. Now to cover these holes, I'm using this bamboo wood stick, or I don't know if it's wood, but this bamboo stick, which I am going to just cut it to size. I'm going to do the chimney and just the border of the house. And I said the border, but it's not the border, it's the roof. I'm going to use the black paint to paint the bamboo sticks. Once these are dry, I'm going to glue them to my little house. Using the same poster sticker letters, I'm going to use the letters KEYS for the word keys. I'm going to use these little hooks that I got from Walmart and add them to the little house. To finish this off, I will be adding a sawtooth hook to the back, and that is it. Look how beautiful this key sign holder turned out. For my next project, I'm using this planter and this candle holder. I'm going to start by adding some rope inside the candle holder. I'm going to add the candle holder to the bottom of this planter, and I'm using a lot of hot glue. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add some floral foam inside, but not the entire thing. I'm going to cut a small piece and add that instead. Before I add my greenery, I'm going to cover it with this Spanish moss. I will be using 3 of these greenery picks. I'm going to cut every stem off. Then I'm going to add the picks here and there. Now you can use more so it can look fuller, but I feel like with 3 it was enough. Another thing I do want to mention is I do recommend you not adding anything heavy unless you add something like this round piece of wood, which I got from Michael's. It was just $1. I painted this black. I didn't glue this to the candlestick, but I do want to show you how it looks. Now I feel like if you glue these two together, it's going to make it a lot stronger and you can add heavier things. And that is it for this planter. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.